Welcome to Top Tips Tuesday again. Jeff here again from GCD Property. So this week's tip is for those homeowners or investors about knowing your numbers. Very important to understand the numbers on a property and the debt related to that. First thing we need to take into account is our income. So all our income might be our personal income, might be income from our investments or assets, things like that might be another business source of income. Then we need to take off that income all the expenses, things like not only the mortgage, but other things we don't tend to think of: rates, insurance, maintenance on the property, body corporates, if it's an investment manager's costs, all those insurances, inspections, building pest inspections, all those things will affect our cash flow. So we need to have all the income, then we need to take off all the expenses, and that'll tell us our cash flow. If it's an investment property, I would recommend that we use a sophisticated investment calculation tool, so a cash flow analyzer type tool, where you put all the figures in. It'll actually calculate the before and after tax cash flow. Just remember, tax has an effect on it as well, so always look at the net after tax cash flow return or cost of holding on to that property. And then you can make educated decisions, and these decisions really should be made before you purchase the property. And so do the cash flow first, understand the numbers, make sure you're comfortable and you've got some safety net factored into that cash flow, and make the decision on the next property purchase based on the numbers, whether it's your own home or whether it's the investment property. And this is really where a budget comes into really powerful use. So if you're the type of person that's all about the numbers and very focused on that, you can do your own spreadsheets. There's a lot of great tools online now that we can do for budgeting and spreadsheets, a lot of great YouTube videos, information. So if you can do it all yourself and you're very detailed, please do it yourself. If you're a bit like me, where you don't tend to look at those numbers on such a close basis, employ a professional. So I used a financial planner, give me a plan. I know exactly how much income and expenses are going out on a weekly basis. There's a lot of budgeting tools and advice available now. A lot of it's free. Please take advantage of that if you don't have access to a professional. But very important, gives you peace of mind as well, not only the cash flow and the numbers, but can show you if you've got a goal or a target to meet, knowing those numbers and knowing you're on track. The other important thing is to review that budget or that cash flow forecast as well. So things will change, things like interest rates, our income will change. So we probably need to be reviewing that monthly or 6 monthly at the longest term. So hope that's helped everyone. Great, have a great week and see you next Tuesday.